So you want to think about teaching your puppy the where and the when to potty. So as a general guideline, a puppy should be able to hold their bladder about 1 hour for every month of their age. And typically, there are three main points that they will have the urge to want to go pee. The first is when they're just awakened. Second is when they just had an activity. So their bladder system is activated after play and also after excessive drinking. So if you think about it, if you can have a schedule, note down the routine of the last time they went, and be mindful of the pre-event that caused the urge to come, you'll be able to prevent them to be in the wrong place when the urge to go happened. So at the end of the day, you are teaching the dog the where and the when, because dogs do not hold their bladder or bowel unless they understand the where and the when. Accidents happen when the urge to go comes and they are in the wrong place.